Just bought the course and now you're stuck thinking, course को access कैसे करना है? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to access the course within 2 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back. If you have recently enrolled in any of our course, then great decision. Now let's make sure that you don't waste any of your time because CAD prep is about execution, not confusion. So let's get into it. All you have to do is start with searching for ViaCareers.com on Chrome. Once you get into it, you log in first. Okay. If you have already bought the course, you can just log in. If you haven't bought the course, then you can sign up. So here is the option. You click on the full name. I am using this as my name. Okay, now you sign up. Now you'll receive an OTP on your phone. And then you enter the OTP. Okay. Now, as you have logged into the course, you have to go to the course section. Now you'll find all the courses here. You can purchase the courses you want. Now I'm going for the all cons course, that is the full quantitative aptitude CAT 2026 preparation self-study course. Now I'm going to paste a coupon code here. You click on apply and you buy the course. Once you're done with the payment, you'll get a confirmation message and the screen will be visible like this: payment successful. Okay, you have to do is go to the courses and open the course you already bought. So we bought full cons aptitude course. So you can see a learn now option. So now you click on the learn now option.
Hello everyone, my name is Shyamal.
And you can see you already have the percentage video playing. Okay, you have percentage profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, and all the chapters covered in the whole cons section, that is arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. Open the percentage section. You'll find the class and the homework, and then you'll find the classwork. So you have 30 classwork questions and 15, 15, and 14 homework questions. So you'll have all the questions in a similar way. You'll have profit and loss in a similar way, which is class. Class is concept builder lectures. Then you have homework questions and you have classwork questions. And yeah, that's all. Now that is how you can access the course. If you're facing any issues related to OTP, you can just wait for 30 minutes and try again later. If the issue continues or you have any issues related to accessing the course, our support team will be more than happy to help you. All you have to do is get in touch with our support team on this WhatsApp number.